fuck yeah, I'm videoing it. What the fuck?
I think that might be a gas station or something.
Fuck yeah, it's a gas. Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh! What the? Holy shit! No fucking way! Oh shit! Oh shit! No, baby! No!
Are we dangerous here?
Yeah, we're dangerous. Oh my god!
Oh dear! Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming!
Whoa! Whoa! I think we are dangerous.
What you just watched was the 2015 Tianjin explosion in China. On August 12th, 2015, a series of explosions at the port of Tianjin killed 173 people, according to official reports, and injured hundreds of others. The explosions occurred at a container storage station in the Binhai New area of Tianjin, China. The first two explosions occurred within 30 seconds of each other. The second explosion was far larger and involved the detonation of about 800 tons of ammonium nitrate, which is approximately 256 tons of TNT equivalent. Fires caused by the initial explosion continued to burn uncontrolled throughout the weekend, resulting in 8 additional explosions on August 15th. This is the crater that was left from the initial explosion. The cause of the explosions was not immediately known, but an investigation concluded in February of 2016 that an overheated container of dry nitrocellulose was the cause of the initial explosion. The official casualty report was 173 deaths, 8 missing, and 798 non-fatal injuries. Of the 173 fatalities, 104 were firefighters. On November 8, 2016, various courts in China handed jail sentences to 49 government officials and warehouse executives and staff for their role in circumventing the safety rules that led to the disaster. Yu Xui, the chairman of Raihu Logistics, was sentenced to death with a 2-year reprieve.